The Time Traveler. It was a quiet night. Ali, a brilliant young scientist, was sitting in his room working on a strange machine. This machine was no ordinary machine. Ali had worked for years to create a machine that could transport humans back in time into the past. Ali always wanted to know about the past. He felt that if he could go back and change something, maybe he could make the world a better place. One night, Ali pressed a button on his machine and suddenly a light flashed. When the light faded, Ali found himself standing in an old-fashioned village. People were wearing old clothes and horse-drawn carriages were moving through the streets. Ali could not believe that he had actually come back to the past. Ali was surprised. He was now in a time where there was no technology and everything was very simple. But his purpose was something else. He came back to change a certain event. Ali remembered that he had come to a sport. Ali remembered that he had come to stop the incident in which a great flood and occurred in his grandfather's village. Ali went to the village chief and told him about the flood. But his chief did not take his words seriously. This was a very difficult moment for Ali. He realized that it is very difficult to convince people of the past about the future. Ali thought for giving up, but then he decided to try another method. He taught the villagers how to secretly block the flow of water to reduce flood damage when the flood did occur. It was made and most people were safe. Ali breathed a sign of relief, for he had saved the village from great destruction. Ali thought he had changed the past and made everything better. But when he returned to his machine and returned to the present, he saw a strange sight. Ali returned, but the world was not quite the same as the one he had left. Few new things had changed. The people's lives had undergone major changes. Ali realized that every act of changing the past affects the present and the future, and that some things should naturally remain as they are. Ali learns that it is not always right to change the past, and that it is best to leave time in its original state. He shuts down his machine forever and decides to move on with his life. And Ali calmly remembers his experience as an admonition to let everything heal itself in time. Thanks for watching.